Butters! Look. Look, I got cat pickle. Oh. Rude. Yeah, he's just gonna drink, so I'm doing this without you. No? He's like, no, don't do it without me. Cat pickle. Oh, I got a repeat. My first repeat. Little gamer cat. Hi, sir. I think he's ready for me to put out the seed. Ooh, it's a beautiful day. We got sparrows that just appeared. Oh my gosh, that's a beanie baby. Oh my gosh, now it's a margarine. Good boy. He's a good sport. There you go. Butters. Just laying down there staring at me. He took a nice big poopy. Yes. Look how cute he is. He's like, Mama. You gonna lay in the sun? You a sun baby now? He is. He is sun baby. Look who's out here. Mr. Halloween Kitty himself. So pretty. Excuse me, what are you doing? Yeah. Hi. Oh my goodness. You cannot come in. No, you cannot. Oh god, here comes Butters. Butters, you stay back. You can't mess with Tommy. No, 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 sir. Okay. Sorry. You can't come in. Butters. Mr. Butterbeans. He doesn't care about you. Does he? No, he doesn't care about you. So I sit up, look over, and this is what I see. Hi there. They just like to stare. Kind of rude. Hi, sir. He was laying in the sun. I just take a look outside, and Mr. Tommy's still out there, and of course he's like, "What are you looking at? What you looking at?" You know he's out there, don't you? You see a shadow? Beanie. Oh, he's going back over to his house, looks like. Oh, he's running. I see his little shadow running. I wonder if he sees somebody. Or he's going after a chipmunk or something. I'm not opening the door for you. I'm indecent. Plus, we don't want him coming back over here. But it looks like someone came home from another house and he went running for them. Poor dude. He just wants loving, doesn't he? No, I'm not opening the door. That's good. We don't need you. No! I don't want you getting overly excited at the Tommy. You saw him once today. I know. He wasn't close to him. There was a good, like, 2 feet between them, so don't worry about that. Yeah. Aww.
Meow. What? Meow. Boy. Yeah. Got some gas?